Presenting a solid business proposal is key to persuade a potential customer. However, proposal writers often struggle with the complex information they receive from their colleagues to build a clear and correct proposal. Being faced with tight deadlines, proposal writers end up creating proposals that are unorganized, unclear, hard to read, and filled with mistakes and inconsistencies. Therefore, companies could risk losing important deals. Information mapping is a new way of creating successful business proposals that help you to seal the deal. By breaking up information into digestible chunks, information mapping allows writers to organize information in a structured, readable, user-focused, and standardized way. Copy-pasting will become a thing of the past, as these chunks of information can easily be saved, reused, and shared. And it only gets better. You can even convert your proposals into mobile-friendly versions your clients can access at all times on a PC or any mobile device. What's more, you can automatically turn proposals into QR codes and web links that allow you to easily share them. Using information mapping, you will see 50% reduction in time to create proposals, 50% reduction in review time, 54% decrease in error rates, clients finding information faster and understand it better, companies converting more proposals into revenue. Fighting against deadlines is over. Creating proposals has never been easier with information mapping. Are you ready to amaze your customers with powerful proposals? Visit informationmapping.com for more information.